Hi and welcome back to the channel, and thank you so much for clicking into this video. So in this video, I am going to teach you how to fix if your Xbox game bar capture option grayed out or disabled on your Windows PC. Make sure that you stay until the very end of this video so you won't miss any important step or information, and without further ado, let's get on it. So the first fix that you can do if you have this error is to edit the game DVR value. So to do that, first just open your Windows search bar function and then just simply type in regedit and then click onto the top results to open it. And then after that, just go to the following location by copy and pasting it in the search bar at the top. So right here. So you just need to copy this one and then just paste it on this location in your screen. And after doing so, if you don't have the app capture enabled key, just right click anywhere in the window and then just simply press or choose new followed by 32 over 64-bit value option, so right here. And then after that, lastly, enter the app capture enabled in the value name and then just double click onto it and set its value to 1. And regedit is the Windows Registry Editor, so which is a graphical tool that allows you to inspect and monitor the registry of the operating system as well as edit if it is required. So that's it for the first fix, and then if this didn't help, what you can do next is to simply reset the app. So to do that, just open your settings and go to the apps followed by apps and feature, and after that just type in Xbox inside the search bar and then choose advanced option from the three dotted menu next to the Xbox game bar. And finally, just scroll down until you find the reset button and click on it. And so that's it. The Xbox game bar record grayed out error should be resolved. So I hope this helped you, and if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit notification bell button so you won't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye bye.